Hello, everyone. When we think of spring or we think of Easter, we tend to also think of carrots and bunnies. So, today I'm going to make five very cute, very easy rabbits and carrot themed mini DIYs which are appropriate in size and look for any tier tray decor. These are so easy. I'm not explaining every step, but where I feel something needs to be added, I'll just write it down. Just sit back and enjoy the whole thing. It's so easy, you can always make it and involve kids in making it. I am using cardstock paper. You can use a very nice, stiff, good quality cardstock paper or foam sheets in your desired colors for all these projects. I am using simple paper tapes and glue for gluing it wherever required and some chalk and colors. My today's DIYs are part of the Minis challenge that is hosted monthly by Corey from Crafted by Corey. And as always, I'll put a link to her channel and this month's playlist down in the description box. Weren't they so much fun and so easy to bake? Add this pop of orange and green in your home and bring the cheer of spring and Easter. I enjoyed making them. So easy, so much fun crafting with them. I hope you enjoyed too. Thank you so much, everybody, for your time and support and appreciation. I really feel grateful to have you as my friends. Have a blessed day. I'll see you soon.